Hey, Zawlbuk Zirna SMATEE 2026 exam question analyze kan hun kan lo nei le don ta tun kumi kum dang ang lo takin nit patran ang deuh hlekin kan kal towa a question po chang kang dewa na pang hotan po kum danga han zoma o sam deonga tin thei mei khani chia to lo wina langa question po tama time po management thiam view angai to me chuan analyze vel po anuam don riang ka hria physics in bulkan tran lenga thadawin lo en sak le donia
ne question number 1 ring kan nga which of the following is not a scalar quantity je chu vector quantity zota vector quantity ya chonin acceleration hiding hal phot maya a chan chu acceleration kha rate of change of velocity khania velocity kha vector quantity ni kan thria ani chonin kan differentiate mo rate of change kan zon po khanin vector quantity tho khani le dona hi acceleration hi ni mass te speed te temperature chu scalar quantity ve kan nia temperature kha chu til sat zong te na mai khan ya eng ti khom point a khan chu bang chuan temperature bi ki chu scalar quantity tho khan ni speed le mass chu chiang tura ka nga ya chuan hey hi a stone is dropped from a height 80 meter g ki ni se the time it takes to reach the ground is atia a san zong atlak san zong atlak na san zong in pe a the motion under gravity khan ya formula kan nei veka motion under gravity re is a stone is drop kan ti kha chonin u kha zirong nge ngai khan initial velocity kha ani chon kan nei chu half gt square che kan nei to a hela hen t zon kin mai h min pe a g po min pe a equation a plug in khan aron chuang hal mai dor ani meter som rate ania g10 mang rotia square ania true 5 ania 5 16 ania or hey t zong hin zekela t square equal to 16 or t equal to square root of 16 ani dona time ania ani chonin positive ba kha aron chok do che loba secondly chu option b kharon che ni number 3 kan enanga range win pe a range formula kan je nga a square sin 2 theta over g chuan maximum height min zota formula je le potang u square sin square theta over 2g ron lenga kimi te pani mang hian kan zong dona kan divide anga h by r kan ti menga h u square sin square theta over 2g ron lenga by r ni chonin waya om se he reciprocal kan lak anga ya u square sin 2 theta ke expand nga langa 2 sin theta cos theta angin cancel anga cancel thei ho kha u square cancela ela square le tlai pakhatin cancel lenga chuan h kan zon turania ri ya meter zali kan siap ngal theya ti chuan tan la bang hi 2 la bang tan 2 bang 1 by 4 la banga chuan sin theta chunga la banga nge cos theta sin theta by cos theta chu tan theta ron lenga question a zo khi maximum height atia maximum tur kha chuanin theta kha 45 degree kan mang le menga ani chuan tan 45 chu 1 alo ni le sianga ani chuanin h by 400 equal to 1 by 4 cancel theya for 100 times ania or a maximum height at 10 to chu 100 meter ron mai dorani option a kha ngan answer ani e chot tlema cho thui deuh ngai chu ni mai a bak chu ngai lutuk lova next an kal lenga question number 4 a 10 kg block rests on the horizontal surface tia horizontal surface he ni ta se kg som block kan nei a chu cho chemi alowa ti chuan block le a om na lai horizontal surface hi a thap ani friction om dona chu ta coefficient of friction chu 0.4 ron tia zona chuanin the minimum horizontal force required to move the block is ti khani khoi zong po khanin horizontal ti zong kan nem turang mai ngai taila kan nem don khianin kan nem khanin ta hianin resistance kharon om dona friction kharon post ngi dona post he chin chi ang kha kha kan minimum horizontal force kan motor chu ni dona ni chu vi tan chuanin frictional force is small letter f kan manga mu times normal direction khani til reng horizontal an om kha chuan in normal direction kha chuan weight mai kan ti kha khi kan frictional force chu ni hemi kan frictional force le at force apply hi in equal anga khi kan condition tu chu ni minimum atia ni zon tiang zet chen kan nor chuan in akal don tin ani ta ni mu times mg kan mu kha 0.4 ania mass kha 10 ania chuan g hi hei aron soimil 10 mang roti sielo 9.8 man tu tin ani le mai aron soilo chuan 9.8 meter per second square man zel tur ani 4 into 9.8 chu 39.2 newton hi aron chok dar ani option C na kharon diang kha question number 4 chu ni loss of motion na meaning hi question number 5 pa hianin a 5 newton force applied on the body produces init acceleration of 1 meter per second square. The mass of the body is tikani hi question direct la tuk mai nia force min pe acceleration min pe mass ania newton second law chiang da gan ya F equal to ma ya khan F min pe a 5 ania a mass zong ro an tia acceleration ko 1 ni le box ya ani zonin mass su 5 kg ba kha answer ni thelo ni sun bi na kha này tôi nã sợ body kan lo som leng
hey boy question straight let tuk mai nia work done to mg h kan ti le mai nga hey m nia chuan hi h chuan g2 9.8 kan mang mai nga 10 into 9.8 into 5 and it's on 98 into 5 to 4902 answer is kakana mai hey Kepler's law khanya Kepler's law khan time square is proportional to radius cube or radius cube thì mấy kicking ta ni chuan ratio kan lang t1 by t2 square equal to r1 by r2 cube ti tai la chuan hei hi r1 kan te lenga hei hi r2 chuan t1 by t2 whole square 2 r1 to 10 to the power 14 ania 10 to the power 12 r2 cube panga here 10 to the power 2 cube ania to 10 to the power 6 ania ni chuan t1 by t2 because on don chuan ma ka square root ang to 10 to the power 3 and it's a ratio of time period to 10 to the power 3 next kinetic energy needed to project body of mass from a surface to infinity ni chuan kami body ki escape down tinania chawangi escape kinetic energy kan mangang half mve square chuan kan hriat angin ve kha 2gm by r root over ania kan square chuan square root abonga ane chuan 1 by 2m ka square nga lang ki 2gm by r ania chuan hei le hei kan cancel langa aron chuak chu gm m by r option B kaka tôi sẽ dire được sống liang
question number 11 and lenga hey boy straightforward to konya a liquid has viscosity at the direct force on the sphere of radius r moving at a velocity v through the liquid is given by tikanya kiki Stokes law mechanic Stokes law viscous force mechanic F equal to 6 by ta RV kan ti kha ni he ba ki ni thei lo ni ta hian straightforward thei chu formula lang to pon hi ron zo na hi next number 12 na temperature of a liquid increases surface tension kan soi thina surface tension le temperature dependence kha liquid temperature increase chuan surface tension kha niam nge ni chu bak thlan tur om lawa if the temperature of a liquid increases the surface tension decreases ani don ni ain thak nge ya surface tension kha chuan can be inversely to chuan in temperature kha kan decrease chuan in a surface tension increase ve thungang ti kha ni le me ni ha na sarjela kan osom le
Ole, hey, a gas expands adiabatically and does 500 joule of work. How much heat is exchanged with the surrounding at here? Hey, aki what here nula adiabatic and here. Adiabatic at heat transfer om lofani. So vang chuan kan answer chu 0 hi ni do na ni. Heat transfer om lo. Adiabatic at chuan kaka chin che ta ula. The translational kinetic energy of a gas molecules for 1 mole of a gas is equal to atia. Formula ka kan impea kan ziak menga in terms of number of molecules. Angani chuan number of molecules ani chuan kinetic energy ka translation a chuan in 3/2 n k t mantur ni n capital N kan mang thina te chuan number of moles anga kanin azot ani chuanin kinetic energy kha 3/2 nRT mantur kan tia hetuna 1 mole tia om je chu mole ani chuan RT om nei kan mang tur ani a n1 ani chuan chu 3/2 RT hi kan chana tur ani don ani option number D hi kan chana tur ani John 17 na at two charges Q1 equal to plus 3 microcoulomb and Q2 equal to minus 3 microcoulomb are separated by 0.5 meter. The force between them is atini. Force on turnia force formula so in 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R square kan ya. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught as 9 into 10 power 9 and SI nita kan ti so Q1 here 3 microcoulomb ni 3 into 10 power minus 6 ani nga pakati minus 3 niya minus 3 into 10 power minus 6 this one in R he 0.5 square niya si minus attractive force ni do na so 99 impon is 9 into 10 power 9 hila hi 9 9 into 10 power minus 12 ani nga ti chuan problem mo sana 0.5 into 0.5 kan langa kan don ani 5 no chuan 5 1 1.8 chuan 9 ai kanan solve chuan 3 to 4 kan chuanga 3.24 chuan into minus 3 minus 1 10 power hi minus 1 chuanga so kan answer tur chu 0.324 newton hi ani do nani ena hi kan chana turani le 18 na a charge cube is placed at the corners of a cube the electric flux through all the 6 faces of the cube is the hi ani hi nota kan impia so fi na nei vaklo maila ti hianin recall as well cube ani so corners are charge omni chuan at chunga hian charge kha mun reta thena mun khat 18 ohm kan ti ni 18 ohm kan ti a corner sa omni kha chuan ti chuan H HB ka khan mun lia thena mun khat om kan tia ti chon face a khan mun nia thena mun khat a chan ve kha box chungoma chan ve ka dangka box pona kan tia tiang khan face a chuan kan se corner sa chuan charge mun ria ta thena mun khat chungoma adang zongka pona omani ti chon H me kil kan tianga khanin mun lia thena mun khat chungoma dang zongka pona kha kan soya chuan flux zon turni flux a chuanin go slow kan manganga flux to q enclosed by epsilon naught ani ti chon charge ka corner sa omani chon charge ka chunga mun ria ta thena mun khat oma 1/8 of the total charge by epsilon naught ani total charge capital Q ania ani chon Q by 8 epsilon naught hi kan chana tur ani don ani sina hi kan chana ni ang corner sa ka chuan le 19 na kan kalanga the work done in moving a charge along an equipotential surface ati chuan equipotential surface ani chuan same potential tin ani potential en ang vek ti chuan work done formula kha charge a chuan in vb minus va ti ka formula kan ya equipotential ani chuan hemi te panhin anganga an veve chuan difference zero ni work done om don lovani equipotential surface there is no work done ka ka riat tur ni zero kan chan na ni ang 23 na the parallel plate capacitor is charged if the plate are pulled apart atia heta hianin charge ati hianin enganing fully charged ania battery pokha kan vo to lo ani battery kan vo mek chon charging te ni nga chuanin battery vo mek chunga kan chodon chon tuna kan option ang hi om lova chuwang chon charge ti lo ombok den battery kha disconnected ti kha kan ril ro om se throm mange battery disconnected tina lo ni ti chuan battery disconnected ani chon charge kha supply tu om lova kalbona tur om chong lova charge kha constant don ani charge a constant kha kan rianga ti chon charge constant ti hi option a kan nei the charge and the potential difference mean the same ti kha kan hua important is charge a constant phota potential kan en value ang chumi ma chon capacitor capacitance kha kan en value nga capacitance parallel plate chon c equal to epsilon naught a by d kan huni ta hianin hey d plate kha kan lak thana wangin d kha a increase dona ani chon hey d increase one c hi a decrease dona ni a capacitance kha decrease don chuan capacitor relation kha formula te kan ya potential kha v equal to q by c kan ya v equal to q by c kan ya q a constant c a decrease ti kan thetawa ani jon potential difference a increase don ani option d kha adik thelova so potential difference increase ti oma option number a hian hei option a hi kan chana tur ani don ani capacitance so decrease total charge a constant hey jon potential difference ka increase kaka o a hi kan chana ani anga chon 21 na an electric bulb is rated 110 volt 100 watt the power consumed by it when operated on 220 volt will be there hey bulb rated 100 volt 110 volt 100 watt tini omje chu bulb ka 110 volt supply man turania chun 110 volt supply kan man khan a power pack chu ka 100 watt ani don tinani chu 110 man tur kha 220 kan mang dona inzan nge power consuming ti kha ani a heta hian bulb kha 110 volt 100 kan man 100 watt pack khan a resistance kan zong thaya chon 220 volt kan supply khan a resistance kha dang lam don lova a resistance kha a constant don kha chin cheta wala this one 100 watt apex wala ya resistance ka 210 volt kan mana 100 watt apex wala resistance kan zonga power formula P equal to V square by R formula kan mga resistance to chu V square by P ani do nani chuan V voltage ka 110 ani chuan power hi 100 watt ani chu tlem kan simplify velo kanga problem all sum nan 11 into 11 mo 1 to 1 pok anda thea mar chu mang nun le tur ni wangin tian 11 into 11 thlengi da ta ila tuna chuanin a power pack tur kha kan envele don 220 kan man khan 8 to 20 volt power P1 mangmela P1 is V1 square by R resistance kha dang lam don lova empon power voltage c 220 square and wangin 220 into 220 and ting hal menga this one 11 into 11 and nanga 11 20 chuan 11 20 20 into 22 400 ani daw ani 400 watt ka back chu turni voltage alet nia apung ani chon power kha chu alet li in apungang voltage alet chan ve ta san jon power alet li in atla sabokang tiang khan thang ka chon in chin che in ka ria imponi sela harlem nova kan next anga a battery of EMF 12 volt and internal resistance 1 ohm is connected to a resistor of 5 ohm the current in the circuit is at direct formula kha kan mangmenga I equal to E by R plus small r kan manganga EMF the internal resistance pek chone formula kan mang tur kan tia ohms law tho kan V equal to AR nen kan en relate reng R resistance ka 5 ani internal resistance 1 6 by 12 by 6 ani to 2 ampere so to nani to na sarbadia
23 na electron le proton kha magnetic field so 90 degree in lu ta diagram kan ziak ve hrim hrim ange ti khia magnetic field so ta se 90 degree lu chuan achunga circular en kalang khamia radius kha kan jong lo kang tuna chuan trajectory tur ani chuanin radius kha mv by bq ania mv tuna mv kan ti linear momentum p kan ti thin khani ani chuan question han entai la ti ha kan ziak le lok is proportional to momentum ani chuan linear momentum khi same matia an chuan electron le proton radius po ang don tina chumi om zia chu an curve dan kha an equal chiang option b ma che mi case an en lokang electron and proton chu opposite charge ania and then electron ki khil ma ken circular ta se proton chu ti hian a kal ve thungang radius same radius che ninga ma se an kwalna kha ai nang don lo tinani number 24 magnetic force on the conductor kha force to b l v sin theta no sorry F equal to b I l sin theta ni maximum matia the force on the conductor is maximum when conductor is parallel that is one parallel to one theta is 0 tinania theta 0 chuan sin theta chu 0 niang and it's one maximum when conductor is perpendicular to the field that is one hi 90 ninga sin 90 chu 1 aniang and it's one hemi force maximum to chuan BIL perpendicular tinani chuan option 2 hi binaniang next angkal leng halang circular coil of radius charge carries current I 3 ampere atia find its magnetic moment atia magnetic moment to NIA to area tina chun n chu 50 tons ania, I chu 3 ania, cái 0.2 ania, 0.2 cái radius ania, đó là tại hiện n I pi r square ania into pi ania. Chuan 150 into 0.04 into 3.14. Khi mi ho khi cần multiply chuan kan multiply chuak khel lo nga 18.8 ampere meter square. Chuak ang option chu D na. Next akan kal le nga khi Faraday's law mi khania EMF induced ka chu d phi by dt. Magnitude in lang ane chuan I can differentiate ang d by dt 3t square plus 5t plus 16 ania 3t square chu 6t plus 5 plus let me differentiate to 0. Chuan time kha 5 second na tia. Ani chuan E equal to ta hian 5 kan dang. 5 second. 6 into 5 plus 5. So 30 plus 5 equal to 35 volt. Answer to option C. So, RMS value of AC current is, its maximum current is, RMS value of IV equal to I naught by root 2. And it's in Kanya. And it's one I naught to maximum current means of I naught and so on. Root 2 IV. Root to the 1.414 into IV2 5 he can multiply to 7.07 ampere. And so and it's option A. Capacitance. AC can connect can a reactance to propose 2 pi FC. Reactance is proportional to 1 by frequency. And it's one reactance increase to one. And he a decrease one, he a increase. Question again, reactance of pure capacitor is increases at the value. Frequency ka a decrease. Okay, te hunya. San kem lo to lo vin ka ria. Ala.
Light of frequency 8 into 10 power 14 Hz is incident on a metal with threshold frequency 6 into 10 power 14 Hz. Find the maximum kinetic energy of the emitting electron given H equal to 6.63 into 10 power minus 34 joule second. Einstein photoelectric effect equation kan manganga kinetic energy equal to H nu minus work function MO threshold in terms of threshold frequency vector H nu minus H nu naught kan manganga kinetic energy is equal to H nu minus nu naught ani don ani so kinetic energy H value kan dalu tanga 6.63 into 10 power minus 34 SI vector ni ga engma unit vel ka thak dang lam angai lo wa ti kan zip pop mai nga ti chuan eng frequency kha hey video ni kan eng mana ki 8 into 10 power 14 ani ti chuan threshold frequency hi 6 into 10 power 14 ani okay 6.63 into 10 power minus 34 into 2 into 10 power 14 kan ya SI unit vekin an saroma problem da SI unit vekin oma harsalem lova multiply la 6 6 132 point vel eng policy tempor vel kha hai solve kha awangai ran to lovani answer heta 132 kan hmu to a option A hi kan chana tur ani don ani o kan uluk chuan 13.26 into 10 to the power minus 20 joule achu kanga hey uluk veu chuan eng policy 1.326 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule angin answer kha kan da do nani imponi second next sanga if a particle are moving with the same velocity then maximum de Broglie wavelength is 4 tia anjing hai proton te kan alpha te beta te neutron te de Broglie wavelength formula kha lambda equal to h by mv kan ya h Planck constant ni constant and v velocity and vector constant ani dona so wavelength kha mass neng khan inverse ni proportion dona so arit rit kha wavelength atle manga azang kha wavelength atam dona ni hey proton hi mass hi 1.007 valen ya this one neutron hi 1.008 pone se one ang to pona lag thai thowa alpha particle hi around 4 u valen ya beta kan ti chuan electron sania azang 0.005 u valen ya anjing a hian alpha particle hi arit bera alpha particle hi a wavelength atoi ber don ani minimum azota kan chana tura chuan alpha particle aniang maximum zota se chuan beta electron si ani ve thung don tin ani chu ole next liangla the energy required to excite hydrogen atom from n equal to 1 to n equal to 3 is atia hydrogen atom kan ne first orbit atranga third orbit electrons la chautur khan exert nge energy kan mamo ati ni omyasu electrons la chautur chon khami pani inkar energy difference la kha kan mamo ania ten energy difference kan la anga chu kan energy mamo tur ani ngalani one atang tu chau pui taila means one le two ti khanin tu boy na paltakin final minus initial angin jek taila chu one atang in 3 kan chau pui dona chu 3 le 1 in car energy difference kha e kan mamo tur khani ngal tin ani chu kan energy mamo tur final chu minus 13.6 by n square ti khani 3 square langalila minus 13.6 by first orbit atang ni 1 square so minus 13.6 divided by 9 and it's 1.51 velania 1.5 letaila plus 13.6 ania so difference kan lak chon 12.1 electron volt asuk don ani hey one atronga third orbita electrons la chautur chon so kan energy ma motor cha 12.1 electron volt ani don 37 the binding energy of a nucleus with mass defect 0.02 atomic mass unit is at the binding energy formula to del m c square kan ya e equal to mc square ang khan to chuan in atomic mass unit anga kan te ni chuan 0.02 atomic mass unit kan ni anga kan man chuan 931.5 mega electron volt multiply to tur kan ti thin ka 931.5 mega electron volt in arong chok don ani chuan hey 9 to 18 kan hua 18.6 hi kan chana tur kha ani ti kha chiang ngal em ni police solve verim primla 5 to 10 chuan 3 6 18 18.6 mega electron volt e kan chana turani antiran eta unit vel ain thang ka chu c square kha 91.5 ti kha ami ti kha thang khat boin om thina nala b ka khan claim soifia na kan nei lokanga binding energy b ka hian del m hi kan buang hian 0.02 atomic mass unit ani hey del m ania ti chuan c square hi in terms of atomic mass unit ani chuan a unit kan man tura chuan 931.5 mega electron volt by atomic mass unit angin kan siak theya ti chuan atomic mass unit le atomic mass unit in kan selanga answer khan mega electron volt che kha chuang to don khalai khatle thengkhat confuse na ani thina kan soifi alok ani chu poni sela answer danglam lowe fusion occurs in the sun due to kan nia khianin nuclear fusion athling charchara ta chum proton cycle te kan neya kaka chana chu temperature san vale pressure san wang ani option d hi kan chana tur ani claim soi beltala continuous fission reactions te bigi kan nia thling ani lo thunga kan nia chon fission reaction thelovani kan nia nuclear reaction hi light nuclei vek ania heavy nuclei an la lovani fission thleng tur chon uranium te nga ya nakina kan ni ami ke proton le helium ani tlang puya tiana chhosel nakina nitrogen te la nianga carbon te la nianga khatiang huna kha chonin kan ni hi red gen lo ni tonga khatiang uranium plutonium te ka thleng man don lo ni are reng chon nuclear fusion a thleng ti kha thretai la throm mange chon khovela ve thung chon nuclear fission mangin nuclear fusion kan thlen tir ti kha riat ve a throm mange hydrogen bomb te chon nuclear fusion ani kha diang hydrogen bomb khat direct kan il thelo thunga uranium emo plutonium emo thorium mangtia kan pui angai ta khovela chuan nuclear fission thleng tur chuan nuclear fusion thleng tur chuan nuclear fission kan nei phot angai thung nia ero chuan nuclear fission kha direct in a thleng a chan chu temperature san vale pressure san wangin kha retaila throm mange tuna sardina
ole question number 39 hi semiconductor devices last tropa kan ni top bar khania ti chuan n type semiconductor is tinia ki option kan en chon ki khinia n type le p type kon nei thina n type le p type te kha extrinsic semiconductor khania extrinsic kan te kha chon impurities kan add to ni impurities kan add ma khanin intrinsic khania hria tu chu intrinsic kan ti chuan kan soyang khanin impurities add ma po khan electrically kan an neutral ani hria tu ti chuan kan add tur hi n type tur chuanin pentavalent atoms kan add impurities kan add thina ni pentavalent kan ti chuan phosphorus ang chi te antimony an tiang chi te kan add thina kan add ma khanin electrically neutral ania intrinsic kha chuan kan add ta chia tina phosphorus kan add po electrically neutral thoni ani chuanin an n type semiconductor is chuanin neutral tho tina ni chu a charge carrier chu n type chuanin electron su ni nge me amai ro chu electrically chuanin an neutral tho ni tikha 39 na chu nia 14 na po hemi intermediate tho khania in an unbiased p-n junction holes diffuse from p region to n region because of the nia hei chu question hluya poron tam thina alem he ko dole kan ziak ver renga unbiased kan ti kha chuanin kan zom to ba battery engma kan connect lo external voltage engma kan connect lova lampang hi p ni se lampang hi n ni se p side ta chuanin majority charge carrier holes ve kan nei kan ti kha san tam zo ka n type electron ni ve thunga electron san tam hle ve thunga ni chuan a question a ron soi chu heti kan unbiased ani hianin holes hi n region a p atangin n an phei ron tia an phei chan kha ron zot ni an phei chana chuanin a process of diffusion khani diffusion chu kan ti chuanin movement of particles or tuna chuanin charge carrier nem chu from a region of higher concentration to a region of lower concentration p side a ho san tam ma n side an claim che chu bang chuanin diffusion a thleng ti khania tu chu a b c ya kan a b c d kan en chuanin option C nei the higher concentration of whole concentration of p region than that of n region ki kan answer ni don ni p a whole san tama n an claim chuanin p a wholes ka an phei don chu tiang chin n region a electron hi p side an phei le don diffusion mang tho kha ran ya option C kha answer ania ti chuan in assertion and reason type luta ni atop panga kharon nia chuan in hei assertion kan chiaranga a body is momentarily at rest at the instant if it reverses the direction. A reason here la potang a body cannot have acceleration if its velocity is 0 at a given instant of time. Tle min king ei to ve do ngai. Kemi aron sei tumna motion chu motion under gravity nia. In lo ngei to tu chu mass hangil takin vom chawang. A resistance kan neglect vek to na ngil takin vom chawanga chon ngil takin ron tle do na chu kan thresanga. Le assertion kan yang ki kan apply don chinang is momentarily at rest at the instant if it reverses its direction. Ngil ding kan vom chawta ni ngil ta kan vom chaw khanin highest point a khanin 0 ania velocity kha hai chu a body is momentarily at rest hela highest point a hin rei lo te chung kha cha don lo ni cha mi alowa at the instant khoyange if it reverses the direction a san lai ber thlang a chelawa chu mi zo chon e thlang don a tlang mei do ani chu a direction kha reverse ta ni assertion hi addicted ani chu motion under gravity mangin tilin bom chawa a san lai ber hi momentarily at rest ani na lai khan ya chu ta tak chuanin a direction kha reverse bok ni a chawa a chuk le chi a assertion chu dik phot ta ni chu na reason ban en chinang a body cannot have acceleration if its velocity is 0 at a given instant of time khi tu na kan apply ang chi kan apply la thei bok ani a body cannot have acceleration le chinang if its velocity is 0 at a given instant of time ti chu helai kan mang le ngal thei a san lai ber khan velocity 0 ni heta takhin enge acceleration kan ti chuanin g khani g kha ani chuanin velocity 0 ani hianin acceleration anei theitin ani chu artaron sei chu cannot have a titlat meya ani chuanin reason hi adiklau prim dia ani chu ti chuan kan answer tura chuanin A is true but R is false ti kha option C kha ni le don ani sao zela
Woolen clothes keep the body warm in winter. Samul korkan hatrina thlesika chon alum mani adik true assertion chon reason air is a bad conductor of heat rong tia adik em kan enang woolen clothes he bad conductor ani sa him sima ti chon woolen clothes hen bo ruak te lo trap ve theita a khami trap kha insulator chalu tuk mai nia so ta chu kan taksa lumna e bo ruak vela heta pon lama achuak tur kha veng ta chu van chu kan lum ta thina ni chu reason here assertion he explain chuan assertion he adik boka adik ve explain bokani both assertion and reason are true and the reason is the correct explanation of assertion ti hi kan chana tur ani option A assertion a larger dry cell has higher EMF. The reason the EMF of a dry cell is proportional to its size. A larger dry cell battery lian zokian EMF anaitam zokatia chuan reason the EMF of a dry cell is proportional to its size atia battery EMF ka alen len lova ain ngata alen paul EMF atam don atia adiklo ve ni battery hi alen len lova ain ngat lova battery EMF hi achung electrolytes kan tite electrodes kan tite ain ngat ani chu wang chuan assertion hi adik lova reason po adik lovani ani chu kan chana tur chu both the assertion and reason are false ti kan chana tur ani don ani a charge whether stationary or in motion produce a magnetic field atia charge chuanin poni sela electric field a producer amaro chu magnetic field produce tur chuan achet angai ani charge kha chet in magnetic field a produce a charge whether stationary or in motion chu achemo magnetic field a produce atia adik lovani che chawin magnetic field a produce a assertion hi aniklova reason and valiang moving charge produce only electric field in the surrounding space atia heipo adik chong lavani moving charge chuan electric field a produce a magnetic field po a produce ni charge ani shum ka chon engtik lai pon ache emo chelo mo electric field a produce a mo chuan achet khan electric field magnetic field a produce tel ve a chuan reason po hi adik talo tinania so kan chana tur chu both the assertion and reason are false si kan chana tur ani don ani
ole kapart kan analyze honga kan chian hal cha cha a system consists of two particles of mass nia hei m1 anita chuan hei m2 lo nia located at the position hei x1 x2 ron pe hal ta che center of mass so all to direct question ania center of mass equation chu hei center of mass kan ti kha m1 x1 plus m2 x2 by m1 plus m2 kan ti kim equation ki da lu char chuan enghe lo chhok don kan ti chuan 3 into mx2 to 2 plus 2 into 5 by 3 plus 2 lo ni nga to ron swap tur chu 3.4 meter ron swap ron swap cái căn chọc xuyên sim bằng 3 2 za 6 ania 10 alo nia 5 alo nia 16 by 5 alo nia khakharon chua ka chuanin anexa an move lenga nexa chuanin a body of mass 1 kg is rotating a circular radius at speed of 2 meter its angular momentum about the center on theta mass m in ya radius r in ya chuan hey speed v ne ani chu kan nei chu m kan nei ya v kan nei ya r kan nei ya angular momentum equation chu l is equal to mv r lo nianga m a exact nge ni 1 v a exact nge nei 2 nianga chuan 0.5 in a lenga chuan answer to chu enge 2 1 is 2 2 5 za ten answer to chu 1 kg le mai ni chuanin next kan kal le halanga an next hi hekit pema ani ri lawa hepo pema ni lawa hey a mass or spring executes simple harmonic motion with amplitude a its maximum acceleration equation ne chu maximum acceleration a maximum acceleration pa ngai chu nge khan ti kha khaten ria ka equation ka lak kha hei ni mai omega square a hei chu equation a thiam ma ni mai ba ha to kan perfect ka chu which of the following is an example of transverse wave? Transverse wave so anything ekal kan ti kha tia nakal kan tia longitudinal wave so tia nakal kan tia chuan sound chu longitudinal wave example om chuna ne tia nakal ta ni chuan longitudinal wave haron sai side ni lo le phata x chuan pressure wave so pressure chu press ani heti zong ni press don awangin pressure wave ha chuan chu patula ni chong lo chuan wave on string chu string chu ni guitar string te ngai to la tia in khaya tia aliran bot atachania tian han bet ham tiri ulang tian te da phone don ta chu bang chon transverse wave function chu wave on a straight strip ti hin mai chuan next kan kal lenga ei chu ke ma ani lawa chuan hipo ke ma ani lawa hipo ko ni lawa pon lawa hipo ni lawa T vector nga hicho chuan current phone ni lawa phone lawa take it in. The wavelength of a wave having frequency 3 into 10 to the power 3 hertz will be in ta denga c is equal to lambda into f equation kan ne enge min pe f kan ne ya enge zong ro ti kha wavelength zong ro ti lambda hi zong ro atini lambda is equal to c by f ania c chu nge 3 into 10 to the power 8 along nia nga chuan f chu nge 3 into 10 to the power 3 la ne 3 kan se nga 10 to the power 8 changa 3 minus a chunga 3 into the 8 changa 3 chu engza nge kan ti chuan 8 to 5 la don ta ni ani chuan 1 into 10 to the power 5 di na mấy đồng thằng lút tục hey a concave mirror of focal length f in air is immersed in water. Refractive index ron pe cho chi om de ron lang ani chuan focal length of the mirror in water ron ta mirror re kan focal length ka danglam ngai lawa era f ani chuan water a po f ani don kha korea rama po f g hubula po f kan ti kha america rama te po chuan na an sa f ani in a microscope which lens produce real magnified inverted hi poi modon microscope pa chuan lens oma ten lens oma kan ti kha lens pan hi oma chuan la hian object ka oma helai inverted agidar oma microscope pa ali chuan inverted arom kha hemi lens ina sem inverted zeleta chun heta lens panhina hemi tan he object anita arnom le khan tian angain hemi inverted zong he rometa adik chatin kan muchin ta ni chun hei eyepiece lens ani he objective lens ni ta ani chun egin nge inverted lens so inverted image ron produce kan ti chuan objective so zong chun ni mai light of wavelength 600 nanometer nita lambda exact nge 600 nanometer ineta ni 600 nanometer inaya chuanin separated by enge slit difference dia 0.2 mm inaya he meter a convert vek phatango 600 into 10 to the power exact tu nge le 9 lo nianga meter lo nianga he 0.2 mm chu 0.2 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter lo nianga chuan capital D ya 1 meter inaya 1 meter to 1 meter atikha kan convert veka enge zo che fringe with beta is equal to lambda capital D by small d nia ida chuan hemi hi cho exact lo swak do khat chuan hemi hi value da lu ve convert chuan 3 mm lo swak hepo kan sizing phenomenon of polarization of light is possible because ita polarization hi eng light eng wave fa nge thleng thin kan ti chon transverse wave fa chi a thleng thina chu ka chon he answer to ni mai kan sizing lu to hepo hi hi chu ke mani to lowa chuanin hepo ke mani to lowa hepo ke mani to lowa chuan hepo ke ma ani to lowa Pokemon ilawa so nilawa chon to khatche kan nei to tinani hi hey last question hi if objective lens and eye lens asa chona hian if objective lens and eye lens of a microscope are interchanged heta lens pan hi kha om ta ni microscope akan lens pan hi ka interchange ta se telescope angin athengang atita anilo engwang microscope pa chon engting e kan mu kan ti kha lens pakhada wang khan lian dewin kan huwa I at ja sa interchange one hladdewa I mu bele thung do na pero telescope ina omlo phot the objective lens of telescope is small focal length objective a chuan telescope pa chon objective lens ka lian zo ka focal length lian zo ka nei do na ate zo kha chon focal length te zo eyepiece khan nei do ta ni a chon objective lens kha telescope pa chuan large focal length kania he hi diklawa he poi diklawa ani chuan enge answer to come ti chuan both the assertion and reason are false adiklo ve ve ten so chuan hole khati zong kha wina kan analyze he chon ni